Hello everybody, welcome to Siobhán Hickman Fine Art Designer Jewellery, handcrafted. Today I'm going to showcase the memorable keepsake collection, where you can have your baby or toddler's handprints or footprints on a piece of designer jewellery. This pendant here features two handprints in a pear shape. The pendant is made in fine silver. Fine silver is 99.9% pure, and a sterling silver snake chain. Here we have the oval footprint, as you can wear it as a charm or as a pendant. And again, if you would prefer to have that shape made featuring a handprint, that's no problem. The next design we have here is the star shape. Again, this can be worn as a charm or a pendant, and this one features a handprint. If you prefer to have it made with the footprint, I can do that for you as well. And alternatively, the pear-shaped design can be made with one handprint and one footprint, or two footprints. DM me and I can give you all the details. You can also log on to www.siobhanhickman.ie and you can contact me through the website. If there's another shape that you prefer, like a square shape or a rectangular shape or anything like that, don't hesitate to DM me and I can discuss it with you, because it's possible. Thank you for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.